Hi, I am Dr. K. Sai Prasad Reddy. Welcome to the subject software testing. And today we are going to discuss a very interesting topic called distribution of defects in software development life cycle. So that means how the defects are distributed in the different stages or the phases of SDLC. This we are going to discuss. Now see here, as we know that this software development life cycle will have the stages like requirements gathering, analysis, design, coding, testing, deployment and maintenance. See, up to this requirements gathering, analysis, design and coding, the defects will be distributed. Testing means anyway we are going to test the project to find the defects. Deployment is an activity, maintenance is an activity. Now we will discuss how many defects commonly that will be distributed in these stages of software development life cycle, right? Now see here. This is a pictorial representation of percentage of defects that will be present in different stages in software development life cycle. If you see this requirements gathering stage, in this requirements gathering stage, 56% of the defects will present. There is a probability or there are chances to have 56% of defects in software requirements, that is in the requirement stage itself. For example, say if the project at the end of the project, if we see if there are 100 defects present in the project, out of 100 defects, 56% of the defects, that means 56 defects will present in requirements gathering stage, that is in the requirement stage only. That means almost all close to 60%, that is more than 50%, that is more than 50% of the project defects will present in requirements stage, right? This is the one. The next is 27% of the defects are having a chances to present in design phase. Design phase means both the high level designs and low level designs. So both in high level designs and low level designs put together, 27% of the project defects will present. That is the second major stage to have the defects in SDLC stages. And the next is 7% of the defects are possible to present in coding. That means due to the bad coding or due to the poor coding, there is a chance to have 7% of the defects in coding stage. And the rest of 10% of the defects are different other miscellaneous reasons, right? This is the distribution of defects in SDLC stages. Now, the defect means that is nothing but a bug. Who is responsible to find the defects? Software testing team is responsible to find the defects. Now here, if you see in the requirement stage, there will be two documents like business requirement specification document and the software requirement specification document. The business requirements specification document, that shortly it is called as a BRS document. The BRS document is the base documentation for the entire project, either for the designing or for the development or for the testing. The BRS document is a base document, that is the first documentation of the project, business requirement specification. Now, in this requirement documents, if 56% of the defects are present, then who are responsible to find these defects? Obviously, software testing team also responsible to find the defects, because majority of the project defects are present in the requirements documents only. almost all closer to 60%. You can imagine, you can assume closer to 60% of the project defects will present. There are chances to have 56%, that means almost all close to 60% of the defects in the requirements documents. Now, as a software test engineer, you are responsible to find the defects in the BRS document. How to find the defects in the BRS document? And after finding the defects in the BRS document, what is the next process? We will discuss in the next session. And obviously 27% of the defects, that is in the design phase, the software designers and software architects will sit and they will try to find the defects. And due to code, 7% of the defects are present. And the rest of 10% is miscellaneous. So this pictorial representation gives you the clarity of defect distribution in software development lifecycle stages. Right? This is very, very, very important. So this is a base for the testing. This is the base for the testing activities. So if you like my sessions, please subscribe my channel, share my videos to the friends and the students community and the students groups who are trying for the job in the IT industry, and please like my video sessions. Thank you.